What is going on, MOASS Nation? So I've already dropped 2 videos today. This will be your third, so I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. Maybe not so much sweet because I've actually got a bone to pick with some of you. Only some of you, and those may not even be watching, but I'm going to address what I need to address any dadgum way because it's important. Anyhow, we are going to get right into this video. Before we do, though, you know I'm going to ask you to go ahead and smash that like button because that really does piss Ken Griffin off. Yes, I said it. Let me say it again. If you smash that like button, it's going to piss Ken Griffin off. So go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed yet, what in the hell are you waiting for? I drop content just like this every single day. Enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into the video. First of all, I got to apologize for the quality of this video. I'm not in my home studio at this time, which is why the quality of this video may not be the best, but you're not here for quality of the freaking video. You're here to learn about AMC stock. You're here to learn about what you need to do to get that MOASS pay, right? Earlier today, I dropped an interview, or at least part of an interview, involving Ken Griffin. Now, a lot of new subs that I got in the past couple of days somehow mistook my voice and thought that the person giving the interview to Ken Griffin was me. So let me clarify that for you. That wasn't me interviewing Ken Griffin. You know, I actually went through a lot of trouble to get my hands on that interview, okay? To post for you guys, and then I get people in the comments section complaining about it and saying, "Barf, I'm gonna unsub. You just lost me as a sub." Why? Because I posted an interview with Ken Griffin? Earlier this week, actually like 2 days ago, I posted the same interview or portions of the same interview in 2 different videos. One of those videos yielded some very, very important information, such as that, you know, when the SEC told us that there was no short squeeze in their report, it turns out there actually was. We already knew that, but now we've got Ken Griffin confirming it. He did so in this freaking interview, in the same exact interview. So naturally, I'm going to play the most important parts of this interview first. This interview was over an hour long. So I'm not going to sit there and play the entire interview in one video because not all my subs want to sit there for over an hour and listen to that crap. But let me just be very clear. I do. I listen to, first of all, and then analyze every single word that this bastard Ken Griffin says. Does it mean that he's my buddy? Does it mean we go out on the weekends together and drink beer? Well, heck to the nah. Okay? We don't. I don't know the man. I don't care to know him. He's not my friend. I am an ape, and he's a banana, and I'm about to eat his ass alive every freaking chance I get. That being said, I analyze every single word he says because you need to know your freaking enemy. And if you're not willing to do that, well, you might as well just drop out of the fight. I'm bringing you intel. I'm bringing you information that I'm freaking searching for, gathering, and then presenting it to you. Now, sometimes I put my own spin on it. You know, I'll put my input in there. Sometimes I just play an interview when I get it or portions of one because not all of my subs want to hear my input. If it's something complex that needs me to, needs breaking down, then I'll go ahead and, leave my 2 cents in that video. But if it's something straightforward, I'm just going to play it. Either way, regardless, I'm going to play everything I possibly can about this bastard on my channel because he is the enemy and we need to know the freaking enemy. Now, a lot of you that have been following my channel, or probably most of you that have been following my channel, know what this channel is about. You know what I do. You know I'm dedicated to this cause. You know I'm dedicated to increasing my bananas. Okay? So I'm not talking to you guys. This is for the guys that are just coming in. Maybe you just subscribed. Maybe you're just about to subscribe right now. This is for you guys. If you see something and it doesn't make sense, maybe you should go watch some more videos on my channel before leaving comments accusing me of being nice to Ken Griffin and making him look like a human being in an interview that I'm not even freaking giving. All I'm doing is giving you the DD, giving you some intelligence so that you can make your own informed decisions. Okay, so you can learn what your enemy is doing at all times, so you can know every single thing about him. My channel has always been very heavily devoted to Ken Griffin because he's extremely important to this cause, okay? So if it wasn't for Ken Griffin, there would be no MOASS ever. It takes Ken Griffin to do what he's doing, to do what he's done, for us to get this MOASS. So for those of you who don't like Ken Griffin, tough. If it wasn't for this man, you wouldn't be getting a damn MOASS. he has to do what he's doing right now. He has to be shorting the stock. All of his goons that he's working with, this is all a process, okay? All these steps have to be taken before we can be rewarded. This is what you have to keep in mind. So please don't ever question my loyalty to this cause. Please don't ever question my motives, because I can assure you, I'm the one person, the one freaking ape in this room. Okay, I know that's a little ironic. I'm the only ape in this room right now. But I am a freaking ape that's down for this cause. I'm extremely dedicated. I can assure you of that. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below before making assumptions and, accusing me of things that I'm innocent of. Okay, I'm not Ken Griffin. I'm frickin' Top Ticker Trades. Get that right. Let's get out here, work together, catch this bastard off guard, and get our dadgum bananas.